Hello everyone, welcome to Careers 360. Dear ones, when you think of engineering in India, your mind instantly goes to IITs. Absolutely. But what if I told you there is an elite group of institutes, the IISERs, that are quietly producing a new breed of engineers? Yes. Engineers who don't just apply technology but actually invent it. Today we are busting the myth that IISER is only for researchers. We are looking at why IISER might actually be a better choice for your engineering career than a traditional BTech. Most students don't know that IISER Bhopal offers dedicated 4 years BTech and 5 years BTech MTech dual degree program. We aren't just talking about the science with the bit of tech. We are talking about core engineering disciplines. Chemical engineering, focusing on sustainable and eco-friendly nanomaterials. Data science and engineering, a cutting-edge curriculum in AI, machine learning and big data. Electrical engineering and computer science, EECS, training students in semiconductor devices and advanced communication. The best part, at IISER you get a foundational breadth in all sciences for the first 2 years before you deep dive into your major, giving you a massive analytical edge over standard engineering students. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Placements. People say IISER has no placement. That's outdated. Today, IISERs have active placement cells where students are landing roles as data scientists, SDEs, and management consultants. Because only about 5% of a batch typically sits for placements, most choose high-level research. You have very low competition for an on-campus roles compared to the massive crowds at IITs or NITs. We have even seen students grabbing international packages as high as 90 lakhs per annum. Wow, a great deal. So, how do you get in? Forget JEE Mains for a second. The primary gateway is the IISER Aptitude Test, IAT, for the engineering and economic science programs at IISER Bhopal. Mathematics in class 12th is actually mandatory. This is your chance to join an institute with a low student to faculty ratio, world-class labs, and a brand name that is respected by top 100 QS ranked global universities. If you want to be a code monkey, go anywhere. But if you want to be at the intersection of AI, quantum technology, and advanced materials, IISER is the place. Don't follow the crowd, follow the innovation. Check out the official IAT 2026 website today, right now. What do you think? Would you choose IISER over an NIT? Let's discuss in the comments.